Good morning, KGs. Welcome to our online learning class. It's our math time. Our lesson is Facts with 5 on a 10 frame. Our objectives are to use a 10 frame to help solve addition facts with 5 and 10, and to solve an addition problem using a 10 frame. Before that, please be ready with your book and your pencil. Are you ready now? Very good. Before we proceed to our new topic, let us review first the addition equation that we discussed last week. So look at this example. On the first group, how many cherries do we have here? Yes, we have 2. How about in the second group? You are correct, 4 cherries. So what is the addition equation in this example? That is 2 plus 4 equals, so how many in all, KG? Yes, you are correct. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now, another example. So on the first group, how many smiley faces are there? You have 3. How about in the second group? Yes, you are correct. 4. So 3 plus 4 equals, how many in all, KGs? Yes, very good. That is 7. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Wow, a big hand for you. Before we discuss our new topic, take a look at this picture. KGs, this is called a 10 frame counter. In a 10 frame counter, the bottom and the top frame all in all consist of 10. But the top frame is 5 and another 5 at the bottom. So take a look at this. Let us count how many counters can we put in this frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. That's why it is called a 10 frame counter, because we can put 10 counters in this frame, and we will use this in adding numbers. So for example, in this 10 frame counter, I will take away, or I will get 1 counter. Yes, so you know already that this frame consists of 10 counters. So when I take away 1, so how many counters are there? Only 9. Yes. Now, how many will you add to 9 to make it 10? Yes, very good. 1 counter. So let us see if we will add 1, if we can get 10. Yes, good job, KG. So this 10 frame counter, we will use this in adding numbers. Just remember, the top frame consists of 5 and the bottom frame consists of another 5. Now, take a look at this example. So we have here the 10 frame counter, but take a look at this. Is the frame complete? No. So how many counters are there in this frame? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 counters. Now, how many counters will you add to make it 10? Because you know already that this frame is consist of 10 counters. So let us see how many will you add to 8 to make it 10. 1, 2. Very good. Again, how many kg? Yes, 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now another example. We will use an addition fact with 5 and we will write an addition fact for 10. So take a look at this counter. Please remember that the top frame consists of how many counters again? This top frame is consist of 5 counters. Very good. So let's do the addition fact with 5. So 5 plus how many at the bottom, kg? 1. Very good. So what is 5 plus 1? Yes, you are correct. That is 6. So the addition fact with 5 is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now, we will use that to make an addition fact for 10. So we have there 6 plus how many will you add to 6 to make it 10? Or how many counters will you add here to make it complete? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, how many did you add? Yes, you just added 4 counters. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Again, remember this 10 frame counter, you can use it to add numbers. Did you get it, KG? Very good. Now take a look at this example. You can use a 10 frame to show an addition fact with 5. We will answer 5 plus 3 is equal to how many, kg? So again, you know already that the top frame consists of 5. So let us add 3 more at the bottom to get the answer. 1, 2, 3. Now how many in all, kg? What is 5 plus 3? Yes, you are correct. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 because there are 8 counters in the 10 frame. After that, we will show this, or we will make another addition fact to make 10. So you know already there are 8 counters. So how many will you add to this frame to make it 10? So let's see here. 1, 2. That's correct. That's why it's 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Because we just added 2 more counters to 8 to make it 10. Did you get it now, KGs? Good job for you. Now let us do your classwork on page 855. I just put some counters on the bottom row of the 10 frame. Now we will write an addition equation that matches the counters. So remember, the top frame consists of 5 counters. So what would be the addition equation here? Yes, 5 plus how many counters are there at the bottom? You have 3. Very good. So the equation would be 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Yes, you are correct. Now, how about on this page 856? First, we will write an addition fact with 5, then write an addition fact for 10. Take a look at this example number 1. So again, remember, the top frame consists of how many kgs? Yes, 5. Now let us count how many counters are there at the bottom frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 5 plus 4 is equal to, count how many counters are there. What is 5 plus 4? Yes, you are correct. 9. And from this addition fact with 5, let us make an addition fact for 10. So this is 9. So let's start with 9 again. 9 plus how many counter will you add to 9 to make it 10? So let's complete this. You have how many kg? Yes, you just added 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Next, let's do number 2. Let's have the addition fact for 5. Again, 5 plus how many at the bottom? 1, 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to, what is 5 plus 2 kgs? Yes, very good. That is 7. Now, in these 7 red counters, how many will you add to make it 10? So you have here 7 plus how many? 1, 2, 3. Very good. You just added 3 more counters. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Yes. Next, let's proceed to page 857. So same thing, we will make an addition fact with 5. After that, we will write an addition fact for 10. Again, how many are there at the top? Yes, it's 5. Plus, now let's count how many counters are there at the bottom. We have here 1. Very good. So what is 5 plus 1 kgs? How many counters are there in all? Let's continue counting. This is 5 then. Yes, you are correct. 6. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. From that one, let's make an addition fact for 10. So there are 6 already in the counters, plus how many counters will you add to make it 10? Let's see how many counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, how many kgs? Yes, 4. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now let's do number 4. So again, remember on top, how many counters are there? 5. Plus, count how many counters are there at the bottom? 1, 2. So you have 5 plus 2 equals how many in all? You have here 5, then continue counting. 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. After that, make an addition fact for 10. So you have here, we have 7 counters already, plus how many counters will you add to 7 to make it 10? 1, 2, 3. You are correct. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. How about number 5? So again, how many are there on top? You have 5. Plus, let's count how many counters are there at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So that is 5 plus 3 equals, let's count this first to 5, then continue counting. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now, let's make an addition fact for 10. So 8 plus, how many will you add to make it 10? 1, 2. Very good. So the addition fact is 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Did you get it the same, KG? Okay. Now, on number 6, we will use two colors here. Then, you will draw counters in the 10 frames to match the addition equations. Then write the missing numbers. So, for the first one, 7 plus, what is the number here to make it 10? So, how many will you add to 7 to make it 10? So, look at these counters. Let's make 7 first. So, on top, you know already we have here 5, 6, 7. So, how many will you add to 7 to make it 10 or to complete the frame? 1, 2, 3. Very good. So, the addition equation is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. How about the next one? What will you add to 9 to make it 10? So, let's use the counter again. First, on top, we have 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many counters will you add to 9 to make it 10? Okay, only 1. So, the addition equation is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Did you get it, KG? Yes, very good. A big hand for you. So for your homework, please do page 858. Everyone is expected to finish all the classwork and homework and then send your work in our WhatsApp group. Thank you, KGs. Have a nice day.